In this video, we'll walk through how to assign a fixed passcode to a user in RSA Authentication Manager via the Security Console. It is intended for help desk administrators or Security Console operators to manage user authentication settings. Follow this procedure when a user needs temporary access without a hardware or software token. First, as an administrator, you need to enable fixed passcode. Log in to the RSA Authentication Manager Security Console and navigate to Identity, then Users, and click Manage Existing. Search for the user who requires a fixed passcode. And in the search results, click the context arrow next to the user's ID and select Authentication Settings. Enable the option Allow Authentication with Fixed Passcode. And when prompted, create a temporary fixed passcode. Then securely provide this temporary passcode to the end user. And make sure to not use a PIN associated with an expired token as the fixed passcode. And now, as an end user, set a personal fixed passcode. In this example, we will be using the self-service console. At first you log in, and then at the login prompt, enter your user ID and the temporary passcode provided by your administrator. The system will enter new PIN mode and prompt you to create a new PIN. The interface does not know you are using a PIN plus token code or fixed passcode, so it just mentions a PIN. Ignore that, and enter a new personal fixed passcode of your choice. And if prompted to wait for the token code to roll, ignore this message, and enter your new fixed passcode immediately. Please note that fixed passcodes replace two-factor authentication and are less secure. This should only be used as a temporary measure. The user can now authenticate using their user ID and the personal fixed passcode they created. Confirm by having the user log in successfully. Once the user receives a new hardware or software token, repeat the steps in the admin section at the beginning of the video and disable the fixed passcode option. And that's it. We've now successfully assigned a fixed passcode to a user in RSA Authentication Manager.